In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fit on your Wix website. This process is straightforward and ensures your images display perfectly. Let's start by going to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have the tools you need to customize your online presence. Once you're in the editor, you'll likely see a web page layout with various elements. Your first task is to locate and click on the image you want to adjust. It should have an outline showing it's selected, and a toolbar will appear nearby. This toolbar offers tons of options for customizing your image placement. Now, what you want to do is find the small circle at one of the image's corners. This is a versatile tool and an important step in fitting your image. Clicking and dragging this circle allows you to scale the image proportionally, maintaining its original aspect ratio. Make sure it fits into your designated spot without overflowing or underwhelming the designated space. It's a handy way to ensure that your images are crisply resized and neatly confined within the layout's framework. Once you have your image roughly fitting, it's time to further refine the settings. Click on the image again just to make sure it's still selected. You'll see several icons appear nearby. Look for the one labeled Settings. This option will open up additional adjustments specific to the image properties. Here, the settings offer more granular control over how your image interacts with the surrounding page elements. In the Settings menu, you'll notice a tab named Adjust. Clicking on this will lead you to options for fine-tuning your image's appearance. Options here may involve tweaking brightness, contrast, and saturation. These adjustments are particularly useful if you need the image to pop more or better blend with the website's color scheme. If you're feeling creative, these tools are where you can add a personal touch. When you're satisfied with the fit and appearance, there's one final but crucial step to complete the process. Locate the Save option, usually found at the top of your screen. Save your work to ensure all the adjustments you've made are preserved. This way, your changes won't be lost, and visitors to your site will see the updated, perfectly fitted image you've worked on. By following these steps, you're not only making sure your images fit your Wix website beautifully, but also enhancing the overall user experience of your visitors. A well-fitted image can significantly improve the aesthetics and professionalism of your site. So take your time to get it just right, and don't forget to save those changes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in elevating your website design.